Welcome to my awesome video that's going to talk about something that I found in this book called Life Hacks. Anyway, as you can see, my microwave is pretty darn messy. And just so you know, I did that intentionally just for the purpose of showing you how to make this work. You take a cup of water and go ahead, and I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar. I would imagine any vinegar will work. So I'm just going to throw some vinegar in there. Do keep in mind I did this experiment for 3 minutes and it didn't work. So I'm going to try it for 5 minutes. So I'm going to put it in the microwave and I'm going to set it for 5 minutes. And I'll be right back. It's been 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and I'm going to use this towel because this is going to be very hot and you don't want to burn yourself. So now I'm going to come in and I'm going to go ahead and start wiping to see if this is going to work. And look at that. Wow. That's coming really clean. So there you have it. It's like brand new. So you might want to go ahead and explore household hacks and test them out and film it and share it with us. Take care.